He starts posing.
Are you ready? We're going to sing happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ace. Happy birthday to you. Woo, Ace, yay! Yay! Get some
Happy
cake.
birthday! Look, it's cake, man.
Looky, look.
Hey, taste it.
Look, it says Ace.
Taste it.
Ace.
He's about to get some. Yeah. Yeah. He don't know what to do with it.
You know, I get messy.
You know. One more fork.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Mmm. That's good.
Good.
Mama.
What did you do? Oh, that's so funny. Why? Eat it. It's good.
Is it yummy? Say, so yummy, so yummy.
There's no party in my tummy. So yummy, so yummy. Party in my
Like,
tummy.
I don't know if I can do this.
Here.
Oh, he's like, dude.
Did you see that look?
He's like,
Yeah.
I guess I'm gonna have me some cake tonight. Mmm. Mar, you probably.
He got some that time.
Come back
Mmm.
Yep.
Mmm.
Squish it. Squish it. Don't squish it.
He's like, you got it all over me.
His fingers. Look,
He's got blue
Mama.
hands afterwards.
Yeah, look.
Oh, he's eating it. He's eating it.
Did you get it?
He's like holding his hand like he's got dew on his hand or something.
He's figured it out now. He's got blue lips. Yeah. Yeah. Finally figured it out. He's like, oh. Get it.
AC boy.
You gotta grab it. And
Get it.
AC boy, yummy.
Oh.
Yeah. That's yours. Get it. Get it.
Oh.
Smash it. Get the cake. Get the cake.
I remember when Boston did it. I thought it was funny.
I know Boston did the same thing. Woo!
Yeah, and every time I get and then it's kind of like, it's
Mmm.
Yeah.
So yummy.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Where is the morning? It's just got blue beard.
His poop's gonna be blue
Oh,
for
probably.
sure.
Look at your teeth are blue. It's gonna be.
Yay!
Oh, it looks like it wanted paint. Don't put it on and his face. Not like this even.
He goes.
You're rubbing in his hair.
He goes like this, right? Oh, she's making that face for.
He's chewing on his finger.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Good.
Yeah. Mom, are y'all gonna give him a piece of cake? Cause that's like a lot.
You want a bite?
Yeah.
Look, Mario's gonna take a bite.
Hey.
Look. Oh,
Hey,
he's getting into it.
look. Oh, he's playing.
Look, Maya eat it. Look.
That's a lot of icing. He has a clump of icing on his hand.
It is. Yay!
Oh, God.
Oh, chicken icing.
Oh, my goodness.
There you go.
There you go. There you go. He's like, I don't know. Let me try it one more time. There you go. Oh, gosh. The whole thing?
Yay! Yay! Yay!